Cool. Hey man, I told you that this guy had a cool lizards, right? Yeah man, you weren't kidding. These are really cool. But I got a question, what the hell is he doing? Well, what do you mean? Let's see. Oh man, it's just stretching. Well, I think that's what's happening. Check out this one. Let me see. Whoa, what the hell? Why are they stretching so much like that? You know, to be honest, I have no idea. Maybe there is a reason. You know what? I'm gonna try it. Maybe I'll find out why they do it. Alright, I gotta try exactly what they do. Lay flat on the floor and then stretch a lot. Oh fuck. What are you guys doing? What the hell are you doing? Scientific research? Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to this channel. Oh man, it's like 75 degrees in here and doing that really made me sweat. Right, but anyways, you know, sometimes you gotta have fun with this kind of videos, and you know, that's what this video is about. You know, it's been a really long time since I made part 1 of this video, and you know, of course, you know, for whoever wants to watch it, you know, I will put the link here or, you know, somewhere, one of those corners. But you will also have the option to watch it at the end of this video. But you know, this is a video that I was looking forward to doing because, you know, in the world of lizards, stretching is such an important thing to them, and it's so hilarious to us because most of them, you know, at some point they will stretch or, you know, just rest in some really weird and funny way. And you know, I have gathered the most hilarious pictures that I have seen in probably, I don't know, like the last 6 months. So you know, here are some of the funniest pictures that you will ever see from lizards resting. You know, I didn't want this video to be only 2 minutes long, so I decided to actually add some more clips to here. You know, obviously, like the title says, here are some videos of lizards yawning. And you know, obviously this video was possible to everyone who gave me permission to use their pictures and videos of their reptiles. Okay, so you know, for everyone watching, you know, please make sure to give them also some support, and you know, obviously follow their accounts. The links will be in the video description. Alright, so you know, anyways, this was just a short video. I just wanted to have some fun with you know, with you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. You know, of course, if you did, make sure to give it a like, and you know, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. Right, and you know, don't forget to stretch just like a lizard. But you know, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.